Stop paying the loyalty tax on your internet bill. If you have been with Comcast or Xfinity for more than a year, you are likely paying $50 more per month than the person who just signed up. That is $600 a year for the exact same service. But most of us hate the awkward phone calls and the "let me check with my manager" games. What if you could let a bot do the fighting for you? In this video, we are using AI to slash your bills without picking up the phone. Welcome back to Smart Life, where we help you live better for less. Your first option is the hands-off approach using apps like Rocket Money or Pine AI. These are negotiation bots designed to target Xfinity. You simply link your account and give the bot permission to talk to Comcast on your behalf. They use real-time data to know exactly which promotions are active in your zip code. If they save you money, they take a small percentage of the savings. If they don't save you anything, you pay zero. It is total passive income for your bank account. If you want to keep 100% of the savings, use the AI coach method. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and type this exact prompt. Write me a polite but firm script to negotiate my Xfinity bill. Mention that a local competitor is offering a lower rate and I am considering switching. The AI will generate a perfect, psychologically backed script. Now, take that script to the Xfinity live chat on their website. You can literally copy and paste the bot's words into the chat box. Third, use AI for price matching research. Before you chat, ask Gemini, what are the current new customer promotions for internet in my city? The bot will scan the web and give you the exact price points from competitors like T-Mobile home internet or local fiber companies. When the Xfinity agent says they can't go lower, you paste that data into the chat. Agents are much more likely to cave when you have the cold, hard numbers. Fourth, timing is everything. Use the AI script to ask for the retention department specifically. Even in a chat, you want to reach the people authorized to give discounts. Tell the bot you want to cancel service. This is a trigger word that usually routes you to a human agent who has a save offer waiting for you. Here's a bonus trick. Ask the AI to draft a formal FCC complaint template for you. If Xfinity is charging you for equipment you already returned or speeds you aren't getting, mentioning an FCC complaint in the chat often gets your bill corrected in seconds. Companies want to avoid the paperwork associated with federal inquiries at all costs. Stop letting big cable treat your bank account like an ATM. Hit the like button if you're ready to let the bots handle your dirty work. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to automate your savings. Comment below with how much you saved on your last bill. I will see you in the next one.